Making complaints hairdryer. I have been having trouble with my new hot and lovely hairdryer.
Do you have any appointment?
There is no appointment, but I have trouble with it.
When did you buy it?
It was recently, not too long.
Let me see first. May I have your bill, please?
Here you are.
Okay, your stuff is still guaranteed.
Can I change it?
Of course, really. You can change with the color you like, but with the same mode.
Can you try it for a moment?
In my pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.